Guess what day it is? Hump Day! It's Fireman Chef Geoff here. Hey, I was thinking that I might try this new fad, this keto fad. So I thought, what could I do different today? Well, ever think about making a butter compound for your steak? So I'm gonna have a ribeye steak tonight. So fat and low carbs. And I'm gonna make some butter compound to put on top of it and melt, okay? So I've got some softened butter. I've got some rosemary, and I got some fresh thyme, from fresh garlic, some fresh lemon juice, and a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, because we're already gonna have that on our steak, right? So I'm just gonna mix it all together in a little thing. And you can put, basil or oregano, parsley. Fresh parsley would be really good. Whatever you have, whatever you like. And just go ahead and put it in there and mush it up. And then we're going to put it on this little plastic saran wrap. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator. We're going to roll it up in there, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator, let it harden for maybe about, 30 minutes to an hour. Or, if you make a lot of it, you can use it on vegetables. You can put it on garlic, for your garlic bread. It's great on steaks. So, all right. So just go ahead and put this in there, wrap it up, put it in the fridge, and you're there. Let's eat!